Dodge Avenger 2008 to 2014. If you want to replace the brake bulb, reverse bulb or daylight bulb, so you need to remove the tail light. To remove the tail light, you need to unscrew two plastic nuts. Use a pry bar tool and carefully try to remove the tail light. It can stuck right here, so you can use the double D40 from inside and carefully try to remove the tail light. Now you can turn counterclockwise the bulb socket and replace the bulb with a new one.